So in order to start working with Adobe Media Encoder, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and import out media files. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the plus button right here, over here on the Q section, and then you can see that it opens the Explorer window. And here what I can simply do now is go ahead and select out video files right here, and even images as I want right here. I can convert them out as I want as well, and even audio files that I want. So I'm just holding Control to go ahead and select out multiple files, and if I were to go ahead and click on open right here, then what happens is that they all will be imported out right here, one by one into the queue, as you can see right here. So it's starting to import. And you can see that like they have imported, but the one that is not supported, you simply see that it says not supported. And this is simply how you can go ahead and bring up the media files right here. And then you can change around the settings on how you want to convert them easily right here. So that is how you can go ahead and import out media files inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.